In this video, I am going to discuss about the slope-intercept form of a straight line, which is y is equal to mx plus b. Let me give you an overview of the formula. Y is equal to mx plus b. This tells you two things. One is slope. M is the slope of the straight line under consideration, and b is the y-intercept. So let's sketch it and see what we get. Let's say we have a straight line that kind of looks like this on this coordinate system, y, x, and let's say this is my straight line. Now my y-intercept is going to be this point, which is going to have coordinate 0, b, and I'm assuming that equation y slope-intercept form of this straight line is y is equal to mx plus b, and m is the slope of the line. Now m could have any value, positive, negative, or 0. So depending on what is the value of the m, the orientation of the line would be accordingly. Slope 0, that means if m is 0, it's a horizontal line. If m is positive, it's a straight line that's going up as you go from left to right. If m is negative, it's a straight line that goes down as you go from left to right. For this particular instance, this straight line, m should be negative. M should be less than 0. Now, let me go ahead and give a specific example of the equation of a straight line and work on it. Let's consider this equation of a straight line. 7x plus 5y minus 35 is equal to 0. What we are going to do, we are going to express this equation in the slope-intercept form, and by expressing it in this form, y is equal to mx plus b, we are going to find the slope m and find the y-intercept b. By the way, b is just the y coordinate. You have to write it as 0, b to get the coordinates of the y-intercept. Now, our objective here is to solve this equation for y. We are going to subtract 7x from both sides, 7x, and then add 35 to both sides. If we do that, we get the following. On the left, positive 7x, negative 7x, they cancel out. Negative 35, positive 35 cancel out. That leaves me with 5y is equal to, on the right hand side, negative 7x plus 35. Now I am going to divide both sides by 5. Divided by 5, divided by 5, and divided by 5. If I do that, I get the following. I get, on the left hand side, 5 and 5 gonna cancel out. That's going to give me y is equal to, on the right hand side is gonna be negative 7 over 5x, and then plus 5 goes into 35 7 times 7. Now we have our equation in the slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. Y is equal to mx plus b. As we can see, this is going to be my m, the slope, and this is going to be my y-intercept, b. So the y-intercept for this straight line is going to be 0, 7, and the slope is going to be negative 7 over 5. Now if we can sketch this from this information, this is x, this is y. Now y-intercept 0, 7, which is this point, and now we need one more point. Remember, to draw or to graph a straight line, you need two distinct points. We got one, the other one could be found from this slope. Slope is negative, so as you go from left to right, is going to go down. The line is going to go down. So if we go 7 units down, so slope is negative 7 over 5. So m is equal to negative 7 over 5 if we go from this point, if we go 7 units down, we are going to be right here. That means we are going to go 5 units to the right. So it's going to be 5, 0. So I have two distinct points, and I can connect these 2 points to find the straight line. This is the sketch of the straight line. So this is the general discussion about slope-intercept form of a straight line. Y is equal to mx plus b. From a given equation, how you find out the slope and the y-intercept, and then how you sketch the line from these two pieces of information. I have outlined all of this here. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.